wants $1 million smile at an affordable price? Dr. Andrea Joy Smith is helping her patients smile again with mini dental implants and joins us to share the details. Hey, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith.
Good morning, Desiree. How are you?
We're doing good. Excited to chat with you. And Dr. Andrea, we've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But when it comes to our teeth, it can require some extra care. So tell us about dental implants and how long they've been in use.
Absolutely. That extra care can be necessary, mainly because patients have lost their teeth over time. So, with the advent of dental implants in the early 70s, I would say, patients can have their teeth replaced as well as dentures stabilized so that they no longer have to use denture adhesives. And so, this opportunity for patients who have usually just a small amount of bone due to missing their teeth for quite a while, this gives them a great option when they've been told from time and time again that they're not candidates for implants.
All right. And I mean, we've been talking to you for years now about this, Dr. Smith. What makes you so passionate about mini dental implants?
I am passionate about it mainly because I can actually help those patients who have been told that they are not candidates for dental implants because these one piece, smaller diameter or mini dental implants, as we call them, can be used for people who have very little bone because when you're missing your teeth for quite a while, the bone that is actually associated with the teeth goes away as well. And so these small diameter one piece implants are there to treat those patients. And there's many other applications as well. But when they were first introduced about 25 years ago, we mainly used them to stabilize dentures, but we can also replace missing teeth, whether it's a single tooth or multiple teeth. And in some cases, we can do the entire mouth with the small diameter one piece implants.
It's exciting to hear about the progress that has been made since it originated, like you mentioned, 20 to 25 years ago. What are the benefits of mini dental implant treatments for those who are unfamiliar on how they work?
Well, one of the benefits is that the technique requires less surgery. Often, when patients are having a conventional size, larger diameter implant, there are at least 2 or 3 surgeries that are required in order to have the implant used in function. But with the small diameter implant, and it's the fact that it's one piece, it allows that surgery to be done at one time, and it also allows us to use that implant the very same day. So that if you come in one day with dentures that are loose, we can place the implants and we can snap that denture over the new implants, and you can leave out with the more stable smile.
Yeah, and I can only imagine how much confidence that builds up for your patients. How long have you offered mini dental implants to your patients?
I've been doing mini implants for my patients for well over 15 years. I've placed well over seven, probably close to 8,000 small diameter one piece implants so far. And it's been a service that I've been really pleased to offer for all of those years. And I would also say that patients that are missing a single tooth, oftentimes when they're missing a front tooth, they'll come in with a flipper or a little removable partial. And the day they walk in with that partial and decide to have an implant placed, we can place an implant that same day and they can walk out without that little flipper that is replacing that one missing tooth.
Oh, wow. And we're looking at a demonstration right now. And you have a video of a very happy patient after receiving dental implant treatment. Let's take a listen.
I just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
Dr. Andrea Joy Smith, what's your reaction when you hear responses like that from your patients?
You know, it makes me smile from ear to ear all the time. Often as dentists, we're doing procedures that are not as rewarding. Like if you have to get a root canal on the very back tooth on the top, that can be a procedure that is very necessary. And it's a procedure that we're accustomed to doing all the time. but you might not have that type of a response from a patient. So that makes me feel really well. And what's interesting about her is that she had seen my advertisement maybe about 3 years prior to me doing the treatment. And in the meantime, she moved to Chicago. But she and her family decided that when it's time for her to get her teeth done, she was going to fly all the way back to California to let me do those, to do her teeth for her.
Wow.
And I was so happy to be able to do it.
Yeah, that's extremely exciting. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith, always a pleasure talking to you and to our viewers. To get your $1 million smile at an affordable price, you can visit smileagainnow.com.